Here's how to create an animated line graph in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting the pen tool and drawing your line. Go to the Properties panel and turn off Fill. Turn on Stroke, choose your color, then set the stroke thickness. Change the stroke setting to center so the line is more visible. Next, open the Effects panel and apply the crop effect to your line layer. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to begin. Enable keyframing for right, then set right to 100% so the entire line is cropped away. Move the playhead to where the animation should finish and change right back to 0%. For a smoother finish, right-click the final keyframe and choose Ease In. To add a glow effect, duplicate the line by holding Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and dragging it up to a new layer. Search for Gaussian blur, apply it to the duplicate and increase the blur amount.